Hi everyone, this is Alex for Dad&Tech, and in today's video I will do the unboxing of the AirPods 3rd generation with the lightning charging case. These were first out in October of 2021, and from the filming of this video they've been out for over 2 years now. Alright, so let's open the box. I will rip the top sticker like this, same thing for the bottom. And let's open the case, let's open the box to see the content. All right, so you have a little pamphlet with some probably the manual inside here. There we go. And here you have AirPods, the manual, how to connect the AirPods to your iPhone. So this is a step-by-step manual. Let's put this over here, and some other documents that they've included inside the box. All right, so let's put this over here. So inside now the box, you have the lightning charging case. Let me remove this paper here like this, and let's do the same. Let's pull it from over here, and there you go. Now you have the charging case here, and inside the charging case you have the AirPods themselves. So let's put this box aside, and as you can see here, my iPhone just detected that I have the AirPods right next to it. So let me press unconnect. The pairing between the iPhone and the AirPods is now complete. So now I will remove the AirPods from the case like this, and as you can see, we have now under the settings menu an Alex AirPods menu that just appeared. I will click in there, and you have different information about the AirPods and the charging case. So here, like the battery percentage, you have the name of the AirPods. So here, if you want to change the name, you can just click there, put the name that you would like, and then you can just save it by just going back to the main information of the AirPods. You have some call controls here that you can change, and a lot of settings that you can change according to your needs. Over here at the you have an about information about the AirPods. So what's the model name, number, also the version of the firmware that is running on the AirPods. So the current version is 68300, and as of the recording of this video, the latest version of firmware is 68317. So this version is a bit late, so it needs to be updated. Also here at the bottom you have information about your warranty. If you want to add some Apple Care, you can just click on this link. And finally at the bottom you have a disconnect, so disconnect the AirPods from the iPhone and forget this device. See, in conclusion, the AirPods here, the case and the AirPods themselves, they feel very sleek, very shiny, like any other Apple product, which is nice. So I haven't tried the AirPods. I'm very happy that I have them. So I'm going to give them a try, and probably or maybe do a video about the sound and all the features that they offer. So I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you guys like my videos and like this sort of content, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you.